VPFI forever.
Hello, my name is Eduardo Soto, straight from São Paulo countryside in Brazil, and this content that you are about to check is sponsored by VPFI Forever, the English platform. Access it. Hey Clinton Davis, how are you doing today, my good friend?
No matter how good I'm doing, I think you're doing better.
Yes, in fact, I am really excited today. Let me put
Oh man, what's got you all hyped up?
Oh man, life's so good, you know. I have no reasons to complain about anything, so that's why I am so excited today. Yeah, man. Yeah.
You are hyper. You need a cup of coffee to calm you down.
Maybe I do, but I'm drinking some alcohol. Oh, delicious.
That kind of alcohol will destroy your stomach. Please don't drink that.
Oh, right. Clinton. If the person that is listening to us on Spotify or Castbox or Deezer or whatever, if they are not watching us on YouTube, they're missing. They're missing
They really are.
Our special entries here and stuff, right?
That's right.
Yeah, but that's life. Some people win, some people lose, and that's how it goes, right?
Yeah, and if you're not watching, you're losing. So.
Exactly. But Clinton, I have a question for you, and it's all connected with my excitement here. I want to know, what is the thing that makes you feel more excited nowadays, my friend?
Lately,
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess lately, going to bed has been great.
Really? I don't get excited about going to, well, depending on...
Well, we got a new mattress and we spent a lot of money on it.
Right, it arrived in your house. I remember.
Yeah, that's right. It did arrive. Right about the time the episode finished, it was.
I
So
remember
it was
that
perfect.
day. We were talking about that you made a good investment on that because you were going to spend a lot of time on it, right?
Yeah, and oh my goodness, we haven't been to the gym in over a week because we're just asleep.
I can assume that it's really good then, right?
Oh, you have no idea.
My gosh, man. Maybe I'm going to consider having an investment on that too, yeah. But forget the bad, man. Forget the bad. Forget the
Okay.
sleepy time. Think about things that bring you excitement, okay?
I mean, I think we talked about this on the hobby episode, but I've really gotten to where I enjoy printmaking. I told you I'm doing an internship at a printing shop, right?
Yeah, you did.
Okay, so that really brings me a lot of joy. I've been helping them with, well, whatever. They print posters and greeting cards and postcards, and lately they've printed a lot of business cards and wedding invitations and programs. So that I really enjoy going to the print shop and typesetting things and making it all pretty.
Oh, nice. I am in need. No, how do I say I need, but using the verb to be.
I am needing.
Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
My gosh.
That depends. What do you need?
Yeah, I am needing some business card.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I always told my students that I am needing didn't exist. Do you believe that, ma'am?
You did. Well, I mean, there's always some. It's an uncommon utterance. It's not common.
Oh, good. Thank you. Because in my mind, I have been studying English for my whole life, and I've never seen this. I am needing. I never saw needing being conjugated as a continuous verb. It's crazy for me. It's crazy.
Yeah, you can though. But when I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking about in the moment. If I went to a shop or someplace and okay, well, I'm needing this and this and this. Okay, well, we have that.
Okay, it makes
That's
sense.
how I'm seeing it. But surely there's other contexts beyond that.
Interesting. And ma'am, tell me, you know that as I told you, I have many good reasons to be excited, right?
Yeah,
And,
what's one of yours?
Oh man, in fact, it's because I'm on vacation. Like,
Awesome.
I'm here with you, but the students are not because they are on vacation. So I'm gonna have the whole July of 2021 to be like you, like
So you're going to
this.
practice a lot of guitar, is what you're telling me.
No, in fact, I don't like practicing the guitar. Can you believe that?
Well, no wonder it takes you 50 years to learn one song.
Yeah, I
I
mean,
remember you telling me about that.
I did, but the thing is, I have this guitar because my grandmother gave it to my brother. Like, I am 30 years old now, so it was 18 years ago. This
So,
guitar has 18 years old. Is 18 years old, okay?
so let me make sure I heard you correctly. You said that your grandmother gave it to your brother.
Yeah.
So why the hell do you have it? Why do you have it?
Because my brother, he learned how to play that for real, and then he bought other and another and another and electric guitar and the bass and the piano and many other instruments, and then he said, okay, take this crap for you. And I said, really? And he said, no, I'm mocking, pay me $200. And then I paid him $200 and it's mine now.
What
Yeah.
a terrible brother.
Yeah, I know, but that's
So,
okay.
so maybe you should just find a different instrument to learn.
Yeah, no, it's because I mean, I never took classes. I never took lessons about how to play the guitar. And all that I learned was through the YouTube channels or the
Oh,
in Brazil. I don't know if you guys had this in the United States, but in the past we had some um small magazines that they had the tabs and you could learn how to play the songs in it.
I'm
Did
sure
you?
we, I'm sure we have that somewhere.
Yeah, in Brazil it was
Not,
so wow, you know?
I mean, because a guitar, it's like a perfectly portable instrument that most people don't complain about. It's hard to strap a piano on your back and carry it through town.
No way. Try to play the drums, for example, by yourself. It's crazy. Nobody understands
Uh-uh.
what song you were trying to play, right?
No,
And
absolutely not.
I believe the instrument that puts face to face to the guitar is the keyboard because you have the whole band inside of it, right?
You can, yeah, you can do a lot with a keyboard.
I'd like to learn how to play the keyboard, but I wouldn't take the time, the necessarily time to learn how to play that or how to master that because I believe that most part of the things that I am willing to put my time and my effort in it are connected with English language. Yeah,
Fair enough.
yeah, it happens to me. Indeed, it was always like that. As I said, I studied English since I was 8. After that, I mastered just a few skills in my life. I know how to edit video like this, audios like this. Yeah,
I mean, it's never too late though to pick up new skills.
it's true. How about your
Never ever.
skills? What tell me a good skill that you have. You consider you were good at doing that.
Well, I mean, I guess I'm good enough at teaching. The district haven't fired me yet. Uh, I don't know. I think I'm pretty decent at printmaking, and obviously, I'm doing okay at my little typesetting arrangement. They haven't fired me at the print shop, so I guess I'm doing okay there too.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. And are there instruments that you can play?
I used to could play just a little bit of like the piano or the keyboard, but I just haven't practiced it in so long. When I was 5 years old, get listen to this. When I was like 5, 6 years old, they just learned how to read, and my parents had an upright piano in the living room,
Mm-hmm.
and so in a piano, the bench, a lot of times it's hollow. And so like songbooks are kept in the bench. And so I found one that was like a learn how to play thing. So like I taught myself how to read notes by reading that book when I was like 6 years old. So I can still do that. But like the actual technique, I just don't know.
I see. I see. You can read that, but maybe not execute.
Yeah,
I see.
it's similar to that. If I practiced more, I could, but I just like you say, my time is spent, at the print shop or teaching stuff or whatever.
I see. Yeah. I didn't tell you, but I can play the keyboard pretty fast.
Are you talking about like when you start at the uppermost note and go to the bottom?
No, I'm telling you like this. Check it out. Can you see my keyboard? Take a look.
Oh,
Are you able to? Okay, just
oh
like
yeah. Who can't touch type nowadays?
yeah. No, I mean this joke won't make sense to the guys who are listening to us. Just the ones who are seeing us, me with my keyboard and stuff, right?
They'll figure it out. They're smart.
Yeah, I hope they are. But now, it's time to go. We talked
Oh,
about the excitement in our lives. And now it's time to chill out. Just relax. I'm gonna go because I'm getting hungry too, okay?
oh man.
Yeah.
I ate lunch before recording, so you
Oh,
got to get
yeah.
with programs.
All right. Maybe the next day we're gonna be talking something about foods. I miss talking about foods with you.
So you just want to make me hungry next episode.
Maybe. I am going to send you the Zoom invitation link before lunch, and then it's going to be the episode, okay?
Alrighty.
So, Judy, have a great one. Wish you all the best, all right?
You too. I'll see you later.
Yeah, man. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the talk for today. You can find us on Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, and many other social medias. You just have to type VPFI forever, and there will be a lot of other content there for you. Have a great one. See you next time. VPFI forever.